Hi guys! Samahan niyo po kami pumunta ng church. By the way, this is my OOTD. Ayan guys, okay na po yung outfit ko guys. By the way, this is 90s inspired. Tara guys, punta na tayo! Ayan na guys, dito na po kami sa church. Pasok na po tayo at mag-pray. Bye-bye guys! See you on my next video!